What's up YouTube, we are back another video, quick little video here. This is an update of what's going on, what is going on. This is April 24th, it's a Sunday, so I've got some free time to do this video. And what am I using? I'm using my MacBook Pro, and this is the reason why so many videos are getting pumped out now, a lot more than before, because this thing is a beast. So this thing, go to about, bam bam bam, and cover my serial number because I will show that, boom. So this is my MacBook Pro 14-inch 2021 M1 Pro 16 gig worth of RAM. Would go to my storage. This is the main thing, 1 TB of flash storage. I'm already like, look at this thing. This is just Final Cut. This is just Final Cut. Random fucking videos. But yeah, I decided to get an external SSD, and just editing on the external SSD is just not effective. So having it on the main storage, it just renders so quick. I can just make a video and literally next to no time whatsoever, and this thing is, yeah, amazing. But it says documents, which is literally just all this Final Cut stuff, photos and some apps and stuff as well. But this is all that raw footage. But yeah, this is the reason why stuff is getting done so much more quicker and so much more streamlined. Now I'm not sure what to say. I've had this since September. I've been using this since September, and this thing has been awesome. You know, I've been migrating from my old laptop to this. I do have my old MacBook 16 still. I have my MacBook 16 with a broken screen, in fact, which is the i9, but the M1 is so much better, so much better. I still have my old trusty MacBook 15, my i7 1 TB as well. But yes, this is so much better. I love this thing. This thing is my daily driver. I'm using it for literally everything now, literally, and I might just get rid. Because when you have an M1, when you literally have an M1 Pro, you don't need anything else. The only bad side I've got Final Cut and I've got other things basically here, but I don't have any Adobe Suite. So I might think about doing that, because my other laptop does have my Adobe Suite and stuff on it as well, which is a bit of a shame, because I don't want to be going out and buying Adobe Suite when you've got yourself this thing. But at this stage, it's not too much of a bad sort of thing anyway. But yeah, this is my M1. This is the reason that videos are coming out so much sooner than before, and I'm getting a lot more stuff done as well, because I don't have to import and export. Everything's working perfectly. And this has been a quick little update video on what's going on with me. And this is my M1 14. This thing, I love this thing. M2 is coming out soon. I'm not going to upgrade. I'm going to stick with it. This thing is my workhorse, and this is what I'm going to use from now on. And got myself a plastic silicone thing as well. Got myself my cover. Shut it down. Boom. That is me. This is me as always. This is me, Ace. And like, subscribe, and as always, Ace out.